Morning, children. I said good morning. How are you? Doing well, right? Doing well? Let's hope so. Okay? Don't trouble your parents much. In our previous video about the science fiction class, we were given a simple guideline. What all you have studied, what all you are about to study. Correct? So the same way, here I am again to tell you what you have studied in your previous class about the maths, then what you are going to study in the next class. Subject is maths. Very interesting subject. Most of the people feel feared for it. Don't be. Enjoy maths. Okay? So let's have a quick go through what you have studied in your previous class and what you are going to study in the next class. Alright? So, in your previous class, this standard you have studied about integers. Positive integers, negative integers, okay, operations on integers. I hope you remember. You must remember because it is going to help you a lot. Okay. Then fractions and decimals. You have studied this from your small classes, from first standard, second standard. Still same? Yes. Again you will study the same thing. Huh? Data handling. Very interesting. Graphs. You enjoy graphs, right? Yes. We learn in depth about these graphs in further class. Mensuration. Area, finding area of a square, rectangle, right? Parallelogram also. Okay. Basic geometrical ideas. You have basic geometrical figures. So many are there. What are, how to construct them? Okay, how to construct them? What is the area? How to find out the area about those geometrical figures that you have studied in basic geometrical ideas. Okay, but when you come to your 7th standard, you have simple equations. You have simple equations. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 6. Then what's the value of x? Can anyone? X plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of x is 2. When you add 2 to 4, you will get 6. Am I right? So, here we have such kind of simple equations. Okay. Then again, integers, fractions and decimals. You have already studied them in your 6th standard class, but in case of 7th standard, in case of integers, you have particularly derived laws there. So on those laws, like closure property, commutative property, associative property, on these you are going to solve the sums. Okay? Fractions and these are the topics which you studied in 6th standard. Here are your 7th standard topics. Okay? First is simple equations. X plus 5 is equal to 15. How did you get 15? Something should be added to 5 so that you can get 15, right? Therefore, how much should we add? Add it there. Therefore, the x value will be 10. How to solve? These are the simple one. In this only we have some more of the complicated ones. Simple but complicated. Very interesting. Okay. Then integers. You have studied in 6th standard. Again, you are going to study the same integers, but here we have some of the properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property. Okay. Application of these properties in integers we are going to see. Same way for fractions also. In case of fraction also, we are going to deal with some of these properties there. And decimals, multiplication of decimals, division of decimals, that will be studied there. Coming to your lines and angles and triangles and its properties. First you have lines and angles. Straight lines. What's a ray? Okay? That will be studied here. Angles, different types of angles. You have studied them in your 6th standard, but here more of the properties will be there. Triangles and its properties. You have different types of triangles. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. So, the properties of those particular triangles you will be studying here. Then, rational numbers. You have rational numbers. When it comes to your rational numbers, this is almost the operations what you are going to study in case of rational numbers, they are applications of your fractions only. If you know fractions very well, you can understand this rational numbers very easily. Here also some of the properties we have application of some of the properties, okay, as we have in fraction. Then linear equations. Linear equation. Like your simple equations, we have linear equations. That means you are supposed to find only the x value here. Okay. So these are the main topics which you have in your 7th standard. Please go through these topics. Okay. And remember, you will be given the homework after all these online classes. You have to make a separate book for maths and you have to solve those problems which I have given in your homework in that particular book, and you have to send that particular book with your parents to the school. I will correct them and give it back to your parents. Okay? Alright? Please be safe, wash your hands, wear mask. Alright? Thank you.